What's up there YouTube, this here's Technology, and for this video I'm going to show you how to remove background noise in your microphone. So let's get started. Now before you watch this video, make sure you have realtek installed in your computer, and if you don't have it, I will leave a download link in the description for you to download. And after you're done, install it, and once you install it, restart your computer. And back to this video. Now to start the video, you want to go to control panel, hardware and sound, realtek HD audio manager, and head over to microphone tab, then go to playback volume, the second one, and mute it, and go to default format, make it to DVD quality, and hit OK. And if you have a headset with a microphone, just plug the headset and microphone together and try it out in Audacity to make sure it is working. And to remove this, is the second way to remove the background noise. Go to Audacity. If you don't have Audacity, I will leave a link in the description. It's a free software. And click record. Hello guys, this is a mic test, and stop it. And I'm gonna go to this zoom in. See this, it's the background noise, and go to here. See, wanna hear it all? Hello guys, this is a mic test. So as you can hear, the background noise is playing. What you're gonna do to remove the background noise is highlight this one, the one that you're not talking, and go to effect, noise removal, get noise profile. This will get the noise profile, and double click to the audio to select all. Go to effect, repeat noise removal, and you want to go just play it. Hello guys, this is a mic test. See, there is no background noise, it is crystal clear. So yeah, thank you for watching this video, and if this video helped you, please leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Also follow me on Twitter, and thank you for watching. This is Technology, and I'm signing out.